In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Codex or ChatGPT app message limit. Now, there are multiple things that you're able to do. Number one is that you're able to go ahead and purchase additional credits. So this is available for some Plus and Pro users once they reach their limit. So what you're able to do is you're able to go to the bottom left, press on your profile picture, press over here where it says settings. Then you want to go to the left menu and select on usage and billing. And then from here, you guys are able to go ahead and upgrade your plan. Obviously, that is going to require forms of payment. But another thing that you guys are able to do is you're able to wait for the reset. So your usage automatically resets after the timer shown in your Codex user page or limit banner expires. So over here, it's going to let you know when it is going to reset. So in our example, it is going to reset on August 1st. So we need to go ahead and wait until then so that we're able to go ahead and start using it. Now, another thing that you're able to do is you're able to use a separate account and then try again. And basically, that is going to give you new message limits and stuff like that. This is more like a temporary solution, in my opinion. It's not really something that you can sustain. But of course, you always do have the option to create another account. And then you could use Codex for whatever you need. And then once your message resets, then you should be good to go. So once again, that is a solution that you guys have. But unfortunately, it really isn't sustainable. But it is something that you're able to do if you're just trying to clutch up on some work. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.